Welcome to Morro Bay, the perfect place to discover your better nature. Morro Bay offers you many exciting activities like oceanside golf, kayaking, sailing, hiking, bird watching, deep sea fishing, surfing, biking, horseback riding, and miles of unspoiled beaches for leisurely walks. Be sure and spend time enjoying our many art galleries featuring an outstanding selection of beautiful work from local and world-renowned artists. And Morro Bay offers you an affordable, fun shopping experience. You'll find everything from aloha shirts to surfing gear. Dozens of stores and shops filled with unique gifts for those back home, or just to treat yourself. Shop along the beautiful Embarcadero or in our downtown. And there's even more in North Morro Bay. Oh, and something else, a friendly merchant with a welcoming smile. Along with great shopping, there's a variety of wonderful food, from pizza to fresh seafood, dining with a beautiful view of the bay. It's all here for you and your family in Morro Bay. Please come and visit us soon. It's the perfect place to discover your better nature.